Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll see what is package version numbering. Whenever we are developing an Angular application, we come across different package numbers. It might be prefixed with symbols like greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, and so on. We'll see it with examples. I have 15.1.0. It says it is exact package version number, and this says it accepts package greater than 15.1.0 or greater than or equal to 15.1.0, and this says it accepts package lesser than 15.1.0 or lesser than equal to 15.1.0. Tilde 15.1.0 means it accepts versions 15.1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and so on, but not 15.2.0 or 15.3.0, etc. And caret 15.1.0 means it accepts 15.2.0, 15.3.0, but not 16.0.0 or above. So whatever versions it accepts is below 16.0.0. So this is all about package version numbering. Thank you.